goes. Okay, let's do this. No! Get out of here! You're not my dad! Oh. Sorry, not my dad. Yeah. Shoot. Okay. Why is there a lot of duct tape? There.
Hey! I dropped some duct tape. I'll have to clean that up later. Oh, the lamp.
No.
Catch it. Okay, let it down gently. You got it.
It slowly went down.
Yeah, gracefully, gently.
See this again.
Oh no.
Okay.
There might have been some peeling action going on my part.
Okay. Sorry, lamp. I'm sorry. Okay. Another one bites the dust. What do we do now?
Oh, well, there's still your bedroom.
Yeah, my bedroom's somehow still alive. Oh, shit. Sorry. Oh my gosh. It's more broken than the Titanic. Wow. Wow.
Wow. So what are you thinking now, Ethan?
Pineapple.
That's a random thought.
Yeah, I hate pineapples.
Yeah, I'm allergic to pineapples.
Yeah.
Why don't you just leave the lamp?
Okay.
Don't even worry about it.
What about this lamp?
You can move to the wall if you want.
Yeah. Wait, I know. Destruction.
What?
Destruction.
Okay, keep going.
Okay. I feel something. Oh, yeah. My nightlight. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? Gosh. Another one. Oh, are you still? May I just gosh, your lamp. Where are you? No. Oh. See?
Why are you going under the cardboard? Why don't you just throw it out of your way?
What the what? My bedroom's just all normal, except my bed, because I fall off in my bed.
Destruction.
Oh my gosh. What? It's right here. It's right. Why, Father? Why is there more duct tape? Wow. You know what I have to do? Oh, I'm there. You have to have the duct tape. Wow, I can't believe that didn't fall off. Dad, a little bit of, yeah. All of my stuffies are still in here, but they have my life there. They're not going to be alive anymore. Oh, this is what you did. You think that's so smart? Yeah. You think that's so smart. Okay.
I don't think that's an insane amount. I think that's a totally fair amount.
Okay. Wait, let me just... Honey, I'm...
What's going on there?
It was difficult to be sleeping inside of my bed.
Okay, pull back the roof.
Not now.
Not now.
No, not now. Never now.
Never now. Does that mean never ever? Except it just happened. I'm so confused.
This feels nice. But no, but I have to destroy everything. I could do with the lamp.
Yeah.
My weighted blanket that I always...
So what stuffies did you have in here with you?
IP.
Okay, I see watermelon. What's the pig's name?
The pig?
This guy.
That's,
cow.
That's a mushroom. Mushy, and I forgot what his name is.
All right, who else have you got?
This insane person.
Uh-huh. What?
And then him.
What's his name?
Oh. Creepy. You know,
Yeah.
creeper, but instead it's creepy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you didn't show us the one guy that everybody knows.
The weighted blanket.
No.
Oh, wait. Luigi. Why do you exist?
Why don't you tell the camera what Luigi wanted us to do with him outside in the garden?
Bury him.
Yeah, we were going to put him in a shoebox and bury him overnight, except it was raining outside, so we decided that might not be a good idea. But Luigi figures himself an escape artist and was sort of taunting us that he could escape even if we buried him in the garden.
Wait, is this the end?
Well, there's something you got to say before the end, right? What are your words to say to end the video?
Well, right now I should say stay safe, because, you know.
Yeah, that's a good message. Yeah.
Stay safe, wash your hands.
Uh-huh. But what's your channel about?
Fun.
No, remember? 2 words?
Be friendly.
No, one of the words was a K word.
Be nice.
Be kind.
Oh, I forgot.
Yeah, so look right at the camera and say it.
Be kind.